It depends. Hold on to your shoulders.
It does make people feel good as well.
1 second. Good. And relax for me, thank you. And just relax for me. Good. And then straighten this leg.
It's hard to relax, isn't it? When someone's...
Yeah, that's good. Just completely flop. Perfect. And now have a line to your back for me, please.